Alright, we've got a room tour of cabin 8525 here on board Liberty of the Seas. Let's go ahead and, oh, I closed the door on accident. So, got the classic insert your card, come on in. You've got a Justin on the couch. May or may not be included.
Oh, it's definitely included!
But as you first walk in, you've got the lights. It's dark in here. Now it's light.
I'm scared.
You've got your closets. Somebody left their hanger behind. Oh no, that's tragic. Got yourself some shelves, life jackets, just in case. Hopefully that doesn't happen for you. But you got yourselves a safe to keep all your important belongings and documents in there, just in case. Bunch of hangers, and then these things that fold down. Then, this does not open to my knowledge, no. But you have the thermostat, keep it cool. You got a nice little desk. You got 2 sockets to plug in your stuff. You got a light switch with a light that took a second to turn on, but we're good. You got yourselves a nice little TV. Liberty hasn't been upgraded anytime recently, so she is a little on the outdated side, but overall a very good ship, and of course a very nice cabin still, despite not being updated like some of the newer ships in Royal Caribbean's fleet. But you got a little drawer there. A couple more down here. You got yourself a chair. You gotta do your makeup if Justin needs to do his makeup anytime soon. Got a hair dryer just in case. And then you got yourselves a mini fridge. And that's not the side that it opens up on. Actually, wait. Open! Yeah, that's not the right side.
Sesame!
Open sesame. There we go. Right in there. Then, you've got a nice little mirror to look at yourself for whatever reason you may want to look at yourself.
I definitely want to.
Then you got this curtain, you undo that
We
little...
should totally close that at night.
for no reason. But so you can get that to go across just in case you have some kiddos and they're sleeping on the couch.
Or extra Pookie.
Yeah, an extra Pookie laying around in your cabin, maybe.
You never know.
A nice mirror. Another mirror. And then we'll squeeze over here. Spotlight. You can adjust with that. Switch on the back side. And you can adjust it just in case you want a spotlight on yourself or while you're reading. And then you got yourselves a phone. Comment below if you've ever used one of these, because it's been a long time since I've ever actually used one of these. But nice king size bed if you want. These little nightstands on each side, which do contain a little cubby and a drawer on each one. But these do go in the middle if you want to split the beds apart into 2 twin beds. So going from there, we'll transition over to the couch. Again, Pookie's not included.
Unless you want me to come with you, I mean, I will.
Yeah. Some cabins, this one not in particular, but some cabins have a couch that'll fold out. Get yourself a trash bin into the throne room. You've got yourselves 2 little cups, a little soap bar. Do not rush to flush, just in case you're in a hurry. And then this actually opens up, swings open. Couple little spots, doesn't swing on the other side, but you got a nice full-size mirror. Couple towels, a nice rack, some towels, your shower here. That takes a second. And then some shampoo. Got your... I don't know what I was thinking.
Language.
And then, of course, slippery now. Then you have the throne.
Look at you got your show on here.
There we go. And here we go. So that is a cabin tour of cabin 8525 here on board Liberty of the Seas. Very nice cabin. Comment down below what your thoughts are on the inside cabins here on board Liberty. Are you staying in this cabin in particular? Let me know in the comments below. Stay tuned for next episode as we have a full walkthrough ship tour of Liberty of the Seas. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye!